Hey guys, happy weekend, happy Saturday. We're at the Corona Spring Fest at Wolfsburg. There's some awesome cars. Look at this car. I gotta learn about the sign. So many great cars everywhere. They got splits and fastbacks and Carmagillas. Man, look at this. This is beautiful. Wow. I just love all the accoutrements, the coolers in the back and everything. It's so cool. If you're gonna have a thing, you gotta make it yellow. Then of course moving on to some Baja action because it's California, right? So many great old bugs here at the Spring Fest. What's the oldest one? I don't know. We're gonna find the oldest vehicle here at Spring Fest. It's gonna be good. I don't know where the oldest one is, but I think we're on the right track. Look at all these ovals and splits. Has all these amazing cars. It's just. I mean, look at this black one. Is this your car, sir?
Yes.
Oh, amazing. What's your name?
Art.
Art?
Yes.
I'm VW.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
I'd love to talk to you about your car if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah,
Sure.
give me a walk around. So what year is it?
1956.
56 Cabriolet.
Cabriolet. Mm-hmm.
Wow, Carmen.
Yes, Carmen Cabriolet.
Beautiful. Wow. How long have you had it for?
I've only had it for like 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
Okay, so new car to you.
Pretty new, yeah.
The new old car.
The new old car, yeah.
When you got it, did it look like this, Art?
No.
No. What's
I
the?
redid the top,
Mm-hmm.
and it used to be a different color, so I painted it.
What color was it?
It used to be like a two-tone red.
Okay, this Art, this is just beautiful.
Thank
right?
you.
I mean, just stunning. When it was rolling in off the street, I saw. I was like, oh, what is this car?
Yeah.
Amazing. And you dropped it.
Yes.
Is it on airbags?
No, just lowered.
I think the stance is killer.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's
Right.
got a 4-inch narrow beam.
Yeah.
So.
Look at this. Beautiful. Who did your paint job?
Some guy in LA.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoever that guy is, Art, he did you right.
Yeah, he did a good
He does a
job.
really great job. Wow. And the interior, was this something that was when you got it, or did?
When I got it, it was already done.
Okay,
yes.
this interior is awesome. It's like a houndstooth, like
Yes, it
red.
is. Yeah.
Wow.
And I installed some stereo system in there too. So.
Okay. Yeah, look at that. That's killer. Wow. Amazing, amazing. I love it. So good. And this top, how long did that take to get put on? This top is straight.
Yeah, it got done like a year ago.
Yeah. Tell me about your engine. So the motor,
Mm-hmm.
you look at it and it's like was put in yesterday, right? It looks brand new. Wow.
Yeah, I just had the engine installed about 6 months ago.
Okay. It looks cherry. Wow.
Yeah.
Happy with it?
Yeah, very happy. Plenty of power. It's a 2-liter.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is this your first Beetle you ever owned?
No, that used to be mine also.
Oh, this is your other car.
That's my brother. I sold it to my brother.
Okay. Well, since we have you, we might do a walk around that as well to get history.
Sure.
So this is your second Beetle ever, or you've had?
No, I've had Volkswagen since the 80s.
So you have the sickness for a long time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
You caught the bug.
Yeah, the bug. Yeah, it's been since I was 17 years old. So.
Well, Art, since we're here, your brother doesn't mind. Do you mind telling me about your
Sure.
formerly owned?
Formerly owned.
Your former owner. So when you buy a car from your brother, you'd be like, do you know the owner? Was he okay? Like, is he sketchy? Whatever. You're like, well, I used to room with the kid back when we were this big, so kind of trust you. Amazing. Okay, so tell me, when did you get this car?
I got this car about 6 years ago.
Okay.
And
did it look like this?
No. The color was just like this. It was lowered. I did the top, the whole interior. I redid it all.
Man, this top. So you do fabrication as well? Like you cut it in and everything?
No, this is factory.
Okay. Oh, the factory top.
It's a factory rack top, yeah.
Okay. You just
factory.
restored it?
I just restored it because it had vinyl, old school from the 70s or 80s. And the whole interior is all brand new.
Again, fantastic. Art,
yeah, this
really.
it took him about a year to convince me to sell it to him.
He was like, just come on, Jimmy.
Come on.
I'll tell mom. I'll tell dad.
Yeah.
Oh man, what a nice brother. Hopefully you gave him a friends and family discount on the sale.
Oh yeah.
Tell me about the front here. Like you got the torpedo pea shooters on here and the emblem. Man, this is great.
Yeah. I did new bumpers. This has 3 bumpers, front and rear. The wheels also, I put the wheels on it. It had different wheels.
I love all the details. You got these killer turn signals, and then you got smaller lights inside, running lights, right?
Right,
lights
running
and
lights.
everything.
Yeah.
It's kind of this unique stuff you don't see all the time. Wow, this is like a hunter green color.
It's
wow.
called the official name is jungle green.
I see. Man, look at this oval is straight. Can I open the door?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Wow. Man, the interior is sweet. So did you do this yourself, or you had it?
No,
done?
I had an upholstery guy do it.
Beautiful. Look at this inside dash. Wow. And the shifter is crazy, Art.
Yeah, that's a cool shifter.
Yeah.
It's Vintage Speed makes
Okay,
those.
Vintage Speed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Man. Okay, so current Beetle, previous Beetle. Is there one you're thinking about? If you had to buy a next one, what are you going to buy? That one?
It would be a split.
You're going to get a split?
A split, yeah.
Yeah.
I have a bus at home, but
Okay.
I have a 1970 bay window also. But
Man.
that's kind of on standby.
Yeah, I hear you. This is so great. Well, dude, thanks for talking to me.
Well, no problem.
I
Thank
appreciate
you.
it. Yeah, great. Have a great show.
You too.
And I love your cars. And parts, we got parts for days. Look at these parts. And the bugs are still rolling in. custom badges. Everything you want, more bugs. There are just too many cars, so many cars. You can't find a car you don't love, right? Look at this bus. It's amazing. There's a beautiful car here. Wow. This is great. Is this your car, sir?
Yes, it is.
Hey, can I talk to you about it for a minute?
Oh, sure.
My name is VW.
Hi, I'm Tony.
Tony, nice to meet you. Come on over, walk me around your car.
sure.
Tell me, when you got it, Tony, was it like this?
It wasn't like this. It was all stock.
Okay.
And we took it apart. It's been, pan, everything's been redone on this car. So everything, nuts, bolts, everything's done on this car. It was built over at Koch's Restoration in Acton.
Okay.
It's a 1955.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's a U.S. model, first U.S. model for United States.
Yeah. The paint job is absolutely mirror finished.
Thank
Beautiful.
you,
Like,
thank you.
Wow, it's so gorgeous.
Thank
and you
you.
dropped it.
Yes, it is lowered.
Yeah. Even the gas tank is shiny. Like you went all.
Yeah, yes.
Look
Yep,
at this
yep,
side.
yep, yep.
Look, this is just, wow. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. And do you have, is it on airbags so you can go up a little higher?
No, this one is not on airbags. It's has
This
a
is-
4-inch narrow beam, and it's pretty much lowered.
This is the ride, yeah.
This is the ride, yes.
Can I open the door?
Oh yes, go
Yeah.
ahead.
So this interior is like Dracula, beautiful red. Like,
yes.
what? Wow.
It's my coach interior.
Oh man,
it's like a purse.
It is like a purse. Look at this. Wow, it's like buttery soft.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh, who did your interior for you?
Everything was done at the shop
Okay.
at Koch's Restoration.
Wow, man, tell me about this steering wheel. This is
The steering wheel is from a 356 Porsche.
Wow.
It's completely redone.
Wow, dude. Amazing. And this radio and everything. You had all. Look, you
Yeah.
got all the bells and whistles, dude.
All the bells and whistles in this car.
Man, it's like a
Yeah,
museum piece.
nice little unique mirror. If you check this out, the light does work on it.
Yeah, that's cool. I've never seen that before.
Nope, you probably
You're not
won't.
gonna see it. I love your little fuel tank, fuel
Yes,
gauge.
it's a Denny fuel gauge.
Oh man, so great.
I have an armrest.
Oh, you do have an armrest. How'd you get that? What?
It's an accessory that was made for these cars that are kind of tough to find.
Yeah, man. Everyone needs an armrest. Okay, let's go for the close. Look at that. Perfect. Man, it's gorgeous. And is there anything else on the list of things you would like to for a little more time, I'm gonna do this, do that?
It's tough because I like accessories like my steering wheel, the radio, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So I'm always in the hunt for something new, but sometimes things pop out, sometimes they don't.
Tell me, speaking of new, what is this piece on the bumper?
That's called an empty bumper guard.
Okay.
And what it does, if somebody comes up to you and hits you, it protects everything.
Right.
And it does. There's a stiffener behind here too.
Oh, okay.
And
I
it
see.
stiffens up the.
Yeah.
And that's my third brake light. A Hella third brake light.
Okay. Yeah. I see it. That's cool. I've never seen the stiffy bumper assist, if you will.
Correct.
Yeah.
And there's one in the front, one in the back.
Okay, those carbs are screamers, right? Like, look at this.
Yeah, they're Italian 48 IDAs.
Oh man, they look Italian. It looks Italian.
Oh yeah, they're redone by Gary Berg.
Wow. And little gauges back here and everything.
Yeah.
Man, this is beautiful. Okay,
Thank
so
you.
when you got it to where this point, has it been 3-year process? 10 years?
No, it probably took me, when I first got it, it was already painted and stuff. I took it all apart again, and it took me about a year
Yeah.
to get it to look like
Yeah.
this.
Amazing.
Yeah,
amazing,
thank
amazing.
you.
And this
And
is the old folks garage.
That's the German folks. I'm part of the German folks club,
Okay.
or the German folks, the original German folks, and we're very well known around the world. We have chapters everywhere.
Yeah,
Japan
Volkswagen
and
clubs
stuff.
in California is a big thing, right? There's
Yes.
like RVA, there's German
Yes,
folks or whatever.
yes.
How do you get associated with them? What's the pluses and minuses? They call you all the time. Hey, you want to come out for a ride? You're like, no, I'm busy. I got my kid's
Well,
birthday.
the club that I belong to, we do things, but it's not mandatory to do this, do that. We do have quite a bit of cars, and we just have fun.
Yeah, you cruise into
Cruising places.
The old,
yeah.
the old McDonald's, the new
Yep,
whatever.
yep,
and you just
yep,
cruise
yep,
along.
yep.
Yeah, it's awesome. So nothing to join. You be a member and bring your bug and.
Well, with us, it's a little different. You got to hang out with us, and you got to get invited to be. And your car
Sure.
has to, in order to have a back window like this,
Right.
the car has to look like this.
Okay. Wow, that's standards.
Yeah, the standards to be a German
Pretty
folk
high.
are pretty high.
Well, man.
Yeah.
Well, I can't wait to see the other members because this looks really cool.
Oh,
I
thank
see
you.
now in the back of people's windows they have their clubs that they're
Yeah,
part
we
of.
all have our club. Yeah, there's
Got
certain
it.
ones that have clubs.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm
Yep,
gonna go check
yep.
out some of the logos, but this
All
one
right,
here,
awesome.
man, breath is taken away.
Oh,
Man.
thank you,
It's
thank you.
beautiful car, man.
Black and red's
Yeah.
always
It's a
game
winning
changer.
combination.
Yes,
yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
Yeah. Thanks, brother. Appreciate
All right,
it.
thank you guys.
All right, beautiful car. What? On the wrong side of the road. I love it, man. I love it. All right, guys, that's it for this episode. Just to only have so much time for these guys. Let me get some more bugs. I'll get it on tape. I'll bring it back to you guys next week. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, look at these bugs. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Look at this. This is awesome.
I just did a Phoenix run with this.
Did you really?
320 miles one way.
Wow. Oh, with the trailer in the back?
Oh yeah.